Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to take a look at some pure protein puffs. Nacho cheese flavor. Got these at the old Walmart. Walmart neighborhood market. And we're going to try some of these out. This is the box that you'll see, and then there's individually wrapped bags inside. 1 gram of sugar, 3 grams of carbs total. So, and they're, thankfully, this is a serving. So unlike a lot of these other ones where it's like they put 3 servings in a bag and then pretend like it's low carb, this is actually pretty decent. Now, these are made from the milk protein isolate, so obviously dairy, lots of dairy. But in terms of other stuff, it does not have MSG in it. So some people are sensitive to MSG, so they do not have that. So let's try these bad boys. These are very, very similar. To a number of the other ones. The funny thing is, they almost taste like one of the cereals that I've eaten that are this way. I think it's cereal school cereals. Use the puffed milk protein. I mean, they're crunchy, and the cheese flavor is pretty good. But I'm gonna be honest, there is just a hint of sour milk in there, which might be off-putting to some folks. It's almost... That's the best way I can explain it. If you've ever had milk that's like right on the edge, where it's starting to get a little funky, and you know me from my sour cream milkshake video, that I'll eat a lot of crazy stuff. But yeah, anyway, solid. They're not bad. They're certainly, I mean, if you want some nacho cheese flavored snacks and you're doing keto, this is a good option. I'd give them a solid 8 in terms of flavor and whatnot. They're not the best I've ever had, but they're pretty good. No, very solid. One thing I will note, as long as you eat these things fairly slowly, at least for me, I do tend to feel significantly more full when I eat them than if I were to eat like a bag of Cheetos or something like that. Not that I generally eat bags of Cheetos anymore, but at least I should say, I don't remember. I mean, of course I'm comparing me now with me 20 years ago when I was eating Cheetos, where I could just eat a whole bag without thinking about it. But no, I have zero reservations about recommending these. Definitely good, definitely worth picking some up if you're interested in this type of a snack. Yeah, good stuff. With that, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all later. Have a great day.